In this video, we're going to use an Excel pivot table to summarize a survey. Now, we've taken our survey. It's make-believe. It deals with 200 respondents, okay? And what we're able to gather from those respondents is what their age was, their gender, and also what candidate that they expect to vote for during the primary. Once again, so our main fields are going to be age, gender, and also candidate. We've already created our Excel table. Once again, it has 200 respondents. We're going to turn that into a pivot table by clicking on Insert, the Insert tab. Click on Pivot Table. Click OK. And we have our fields listed for our pivot table. We're going to begin by dragging down the field name age and dropping it in the rows box. So all the various ages are now listed from our survey. Next, we're going to count the candidates. We're going to take that field and drag and drop it into the values box. So what we have showing in our pivot table now are all the ages and the number of candidates selected by age. In and of itself, not all that useful. However, what we can do is click on one of the ages, then right-click on that age, click on Group, and Excel will determine that the earliest age was 18, the highest one was 80, and Excel is proposing to create groupings at 10-year intervals, which is fine by me. It doesn't have to be 10. We can choose whatever the intervals are. Click OK. A little bit more understandable. However, what I'd like to do next is to take the candidate field name and drag it down to rows. A little bit more information. And then I'm going to take age and drag it up into the columns box. Once again, it's up to you how you want to view that information, but the way how it's being summarized right now is that we have 200 records, and then the number of respondents who have chosen Biden, who happen to be between age 28 to 37 is 2, 4, 38 to 47, and all the way across. But right now, according to our survey, Biden getting the most votes. I can add some more information to that by dragging the gender field down to rows. And then actually create a chart for this information. Analyze. Click on Pivot Chart. I'm going to choose a column pivot chart. Click OK. Once again, we can make the chart larger. What we can also do is filter that chart and also filter the information pertaining to the chart. And a way of doing that is by creating a slicer. Analyze, insert a slicer, We can choose any of the field names for our slicer. I'm going to choose candidate. Click OK. I now have the ability to choose one candidate or multiple candidates. I'm going to start off with Biden to see where his support is coming from. Klobuchar. Clicking over here, and that's selecting everyone. But once again, I think it's pretty powerful, the ability to take a group of ages and then group those ages accordingly. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. Thank you.